So in my personal opinion, if you're going to jump into the RV field, I would say buy you a good used unit first. That way you can learn the ins and outs of the RVs, because there's so many different models and there's so many different ones to stay away from. If you're going to try to stay in them for a long period of time, you want to make sure you got it for a seasonal RV. So I would most definitely say do your homework first before ever purchasing one. Figure out what size you need, if it's you and a mate or you and a family or whatnot. My RV is a 38 footer, plenty of size for me and baby to stay in, so it's not an issue in that point. And you also want to make sure you get a good layout. We call ours a condo, and this is my layout. Pretty much, it's nothing fancy. This is our layout. And like I say, I like our RV, and you want to do some research in what you get, because you can get some good deals. Like I said, we got a fireplace in this one, and we did our own little changes and added our own little furniture, and you know, so you can do a lot of different things with your RV. So keep that in mind. If you want all separations, like we have the shower area, you know, to clean yourself up and shave and pamper yourself, and then you got the bathroom area. So you got the, you know, your cabinet for your laundry stuff and stuff. So you got a lot of different things. I will go in there, that's the room, but baby's asleep right now. So when you getting ready to purchase your RV, just keep some of those things in mind to figure out exactly what you want and to go from there. And like I said, you don't have to get brand new. So I would say do your research first and get what you can afford. Hold on.